guys, Tony here. Good morning. So GameStop did hit lows of 180. I sold all of, you guys already know, I sold all of my shares back at like 218, 214, something. I don't remember, but I sold like a day before earnings. I only hold 10. I only actually have 10 shares right now. Again, I really only leave 10 shares on GameStop always, just because I want the just in case the quote unquote the MOAS happens, right? So it really just depends on the situation. But for the most part, I always hold 10 shares just in case anything crazy happens. As of right now, I do have some YOLOs expiring this Friday, which again, I bought I think last Friday. I bought last Friday just to play earnings, just to kind of see what happens. And these are probably going to be expiring worthless. I did sell all my shares. That 180 hit. I think there's more momentum to the downside right now, but we have to wait and see. I think if anything does happen with GameStop, it's going to be today. Otherwise, I just see GameStop kind of heading down from now on. But we'll see what happens this week and next week. Happy I sold my shares prior to this drop and only held on to like 10 of them. And then also the YOLO calls. I'm just I'm just basically just going to let these expire worthless unless we see some sort of rise today. Then I'm going to sell out of every single call that I have and maybe take a smaller loss than a 92% loss on these, because understand that these were all YOLOs, right? These were, I did not expect these to hit at all, right? So as of right now, GameStop hit forecasted price of 180. As of right now, we'll wait and see what happens as far as momentum, but give or take, I think for the most part, I'm a little bit more biased towards the downside and possibly going back down to 180 again or possibly lower. So I'll see you guys. Bye.